In this demonstration, we will enable remote control and select the connection type. To configure a device to receive a remote connection, click the device name. Then click the Remote Control Settings tab. Select the Allow Remote Control checkbox to enable remote access to the device. Select the type of connection from the Connection Type drop-down list and enter the number of minutes before timeout. Select the tab for the connection type selected and configure the settings for the connection type. Then click Save.